Yeah, yeah, Bug Dog, back in it. It's for my girlfriend, man. Not a special someone. I know it out my head, so I gotta read it off the paper. Don't get mad at me. Haters, don't get mad at me. Yeah. What? Hope y'all feel this, cause you know I'm feeling this. Yeah. What? I'm thinking about you, baby. You flyer than a dove. You know I love you, lady. So come give me a hug. Do anything for you. You always on my mind. Can't wait to get you home, baby, so we can bump and grind. You know I care for you, so show me the right signs. And don't watch nothing, baby, because love is blind. I just wanna squeeze you tight. You so damn fine, reminiscing where we were younger, trying to make you mine. I'm a hustler, baby, a hustle all the time. I want a better life for us, so I stay on the grind. I wanna take you out, we can sip expensive wine and take you to 5-star restaurants for us to dine. I wanna take you to the mall on shopping sprees, into exotic getaways and even trips cross seas. So don't get mad when I'm getting the G's, cause you the one I love and the one I want to please. I suck you like a leash and give you hickeys. Put a ring on your finger, go down on my knees. To the lingerie shop, baby, I'll pay the fees. I love to see that ass and thongs, French cut and cheese, yeah. Know what I'm saying? No subliminal, no chorus, it's just me doing me. I ain't even need a chorus in this, cause I'm that sick. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, I wanna make you climax, you know your boy's a G. Hitting it right all night, giving you nothing but D. So I represent, baby, and you gon' see that you will never find another nigga good as me. I'll buy you diamonds and pearls if that's what gets you hype. Once I got paper, you can have whatever you like. Manicures and pedicures, I can get you right. Designer bag, hairstyles and perfumes, that's nice. Clothes, hats and belts and shoes of all types. Or trips to the spa or even first class flights. Baby, you love to bite and you be keeping it tight. So I'm working overtime, just laying the pipe. You know you can't take the pressure, but it's alright. Instead of chafing it up, it's love strokes tonight. You got class, baby girl, plus you still can fight. You gifted and love the way you ride my bike. Your back facing my face, all I can see is the ass. Love when I get excited and I go real fast. Yeah, baby, I go real fast. You love when I get excited and I go real fast. When I slap that ass, you know I'm loving this shit. I love how you suck my dick, no hands, a lot of spit. I get you so wet when I eat your clit. Baby girl, you're a pro, you like to play with the stick. So switch up the gas and tell me your face. I know you're smart, so I'm just nibbling on your ears. You can't hold out no more, you shivering with chair. And trembling is finally over, just smiles and glare. Yeah, smiles and glare. You trembling, it's just smiles and glare, baby. What? It's just smiles and glare. You trembling, baby girl, just smiles and glare. Yeah, it's Bug Dog, bitches.